am so excited to be trying the Copycat Cinnabon. Yeah, I just saved myself a trip to the mall. Keep watching and let me show you how I made these Cinnabons.
Kietha T, come cook with me. Kietha T, yeah, we cooking up that energy.
First thing we want to do is take 1 cup of milk. You want this milk to be room temperature. 1 pack of yeast. We're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. It should begin to foam. We're going to add our butter. We have 1/3 cup of melted butter that has been melted in the microwave and cooled. I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. And we're going to go in with 2 eggs. Eggs are room temp. We're going to beat that just a little bit so that we get our egg yolks cracked. I'm excited about these. Y'all remember buying Cinnabons at the mall? Now we have 4 cups of bread flour. We're going to and I'm going to stir a little bit and add a little flour as opposed to just dumping it all in there, guys. That's what I'm going to do. I hope these are good. I love me some cinnamon, y'all. Cinnamon buns. Cinnabons used to be one of my favorite things about going to the mall, you know? Get the rest of it in there. And we're just gonna stir it. Okay, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt that I've already pre-measured out. And FYI, I'm using low sodium. Y'all see what that's looking like? Okay, this is what it's looking like at this point. We're gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna cover it up and then we'll move on to the next step. Flour on our counter. And we're gonna take our dough. Take the dough and we're gonna put it right here and we're just gonna knead it for a little bit. Yeah, I don't know how to perfectly do this, but hopefully it works. Okay, let's go ahead and prepare our filling. We're gonna need 1 stick of salted butter, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, and 1 cup of packed brown sugar. Let's get into it. This butter has been sitting out all day, so it is very soft. Okay, 2 tablespoons of our cinnamon. A little overwhelming. And my packed brown sugar. Okay, let's mix these together. Okay, this is what it's looking like. This is our filling. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and spread some more flour over our counter, guys. And put a little flour on my rolling pin here. Oops. Now let's get that dough. That's what it's looking like. We're gonna dump it right on up here. We're gonna roll it into you'll see, I'm gonna try to get like a square shape. Okay, we're going to take that filling and we're going to put it right onto our dough. Now let's go ahead and roll the dough. Okay, now we're going to cut this. We're going to take our dish that has been greased with the butter, and we're going to put these right in. You'll see that. Okay, that's our first dish. Doesn't that look good? So now we're just going to cover these and let them rise a little bit, and then we'll be putting them into a 375-degree oven. Okay, so now we're going to take our cinnamon rolls, and we have a half cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're supposed to just pour. Now we're going to put them into our oven that has preheated at 375 degrees. Let's prepare our frosting. We're going to start with a half stick of butter. We're going to add a half a block of cream cheese. Okay, let's blend these together. I'm going to add 1 cup of the powdered sugar. I'm going to add a little bit of my pancake syrup. There you have it. We don't want it too sweet, and I don't need that much, so that is perfect. Now we'll just wait for the Cinnabons to finish cooking, take them out of the oven, and I'll come back and frost with you all. Here they are right out of the oven. Don't they look delicious? Guys, it is now time to frost. I got a little excited and I forgot to turn the camera on, but here we are. Let's do this. Oh, y'all, look at that. Look. Is that coconut in it? No, that's not coconut. There we go. I'm going to give it a try. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. Good. Take your time. Better make you some.